to show you how to turn off that annoying seatbelt chime in your 2018 Ram. Alright, I believe this method works from the 09 to 2018 models. Pretty sure a simple Google or YouTube search would tell you that for sure. My son, he's crazy. But I know for sure it works in the 2018 models because that's what mine is, and I've already done this process. So let's get to it. Alright everyone, first thing you want to do is get in your vehicle. Go ahead and shut your door. And buckle your safety belt. Alright, now you want to grab your key, put it in the ignition, and remember, once you start this process, you have 60 seconds to complete it. If you fail to do so, you'll have to repeat the steps all over again. So, we have 60 seconds to complete this. You want to turn the key to the run position, which is 2 clicks to the right, and then wait for your dash to finish loading. Like so. Alright guys, so now you want to unclick and click your seatbelt in 3 times, meaning out and in will be 1 time. So like this. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your key all the way off. And that ding sound lets you know that you completed the process correctly. Now, to turn this feature back on, you just simply repeat the steps that I've just given you. But your seatbelt dash light will still come on. You still will see the red seatbelt light come on your dash, but you will not have to hear that annoying ding anymore. It is gone. So the next time your wife's in the grocery store or your girlfriend's in the grocery store and you're waiting and you're just cruising around the parking lot, now you don't have to listen to that ding 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 sound the whole time. Or if you're out in the field working, feeding horses or whatever it may be, doing donuts, I don't know, you probably want your seatbelt on for that. But if you're just riding around and just don't want your seatbelt on because you're not going very fast or you're doing stuff, now you don't have to listen to that annoying ding. Anyway guys, till the next video, hope y'all have a good one.